Quad lock is the most convenient and secure phone mount for motorcycles and scooters. The quad lock mirror stem mount integrates with your motorcycle or scooter's mirror stem interface for added security and optimal viewing as you ride. Our patented dual-stage lock allows you to securely attach and detach your phone in seconds. Made from die-cast aluminum with an integrated gimbal pivot head, it's easy to adjust your phone to your desired viewing angle. For scooters and motorcycles that require additional clearance to fairings, components, or controls, you can add our adapter kit, which provides an additional 20 millimeters of clearance. Quad lock is perfect for navigating your ride and keeping your phone accessible while on the go. Further protect your phone while riding with our optional vibration dampener. Upgrade your motorcycle or scooter mount with one of our charging options. Choose between wireless charging or an integrated USB charger. Our chargers are IP66 water resistant and come with everything needed for simple installation with all quad lock motorcycle and scooter mounts. The optional slip-on poncho provides extra protection from the elements. Keep your phone safe with quad lock's impact-resistant edge-to-edge cover and protective lining. With more than 100,000 five-star reviews, see why motorcyclists all around the world are using quad lock. Buy yours now at quadlockcase.net.